know, there's no substitute for connecting with nature, getting into that meditative state by, you know, when you're in nature, if you're just like lying in a park surrounded by trees and you're just looking into the sky, and you just go into that mode of calm, and everything flows. Thoughts just flow through your mind. I often get it if you're just sort of lying in the sunshine. For some reason, gazing at the sun, although, you know, maybe not gazing right at it, but even if you've got your eyes closed and you can sort of see that warm glow, so rather than darkness, you've just got this kind of orange hue. I often find that just lying in the sunshine, you get this stream of thoughts and ideas flowing. And I think definitely that is a surefire way of connecting to the Akash, or your human Akash, but then the actual collective Akashic record, where you can just tap into that information and literally pull out ideas and information. Because quite often I've been doing that, sort of just laying in the sun, and all these things are going through my brain, you know, just free-flowing ideas and concepts, ideas for books, and sometimes visual images for artwork that I want to create. Literally just like somebody's turned a tap on, it's just flowing through.